All right, so let's start off with our tree here. Statements, justifications, and we start off by saying angle A and angle B are right angles, and that's because it's given. Okay, now, if angle A is a right angle, what do I know about it?
90 degrees.
It's 90 degrees. The measure of angle A must equal 90 degrees. Now here's the question. Why? Metaphorically, what flight am I taking to go from angle is right to its measure is 90?
That's the definition of
Now, definition of right angle. And again, watch your abbreviations. Don't abbreviate beyond what you can explain. Or somebody else can probably figure out easily. And that applies to B too, doesn't it? Now comes the tough part. What next? Remember, our goal, we're trying to get to this. We started off with our given. A and B are right angles. We're trying to get to A is congruent to B. So what can I do from here to start moving towards that? Nope. Why? Oh, yeah. Somebody else, what's that rule that I'm using? What property, postulate, or theorem? A equals 90, B equals 90. Cut out the middleman, let's just say A equals B. Evan? What rule? Well, you know this one. Shoot. Not quite. Definition of complementary involves two angles adding to 90. Duncan? Yeah, that'll work.
No, why is it transitive?
It's transitive because I'm taking A equals B, B equals C, and I'm letting that lead me to A equals C. I'm taking these two ideas and I'm linking them through something they're both equal to. That's what transitive does. Now, generally it's written this way. What I've really done in this problem is I've written it this way. A equals B, C equals B, therefore A equals C. You can also say substitution. That also gets the idea done because I'm substituting A in for B, or in for 90, because it equaled 90. Now once I've got that, I'm almost finished. I just have to say, well, if the measures are the same, if they're the same size, then I'm just going to say the things themselves must be congruent. Just congruence in general. Yeah, the definition of congruence on its own says that if the measures are the same, actually here, measures same, if and only if they're congruent. And that applies to all things. If two segments have the same measurements, so if I were to say AB equals CD, then I can say segment AB is congruent to segment CD. And that's all by the definition of congruent. Other questions on this one? Okay. Oh, and that is what I wanted to prove. So, close it up there and call it done.